we have to take a snapshot. And what is snapshot? Snapshot is nothing but it will restore or it will create a restore point where once you revert back to the snapshot, it will come back to the same settings and same applications which you have installed and same configurations it will be there. Okay, for first we have to take a snapshot. Right click, go to snapshot, take snapshot. Okay, give something like time or something like that, time, date. Okay, I'm going to take a snapshot. Yeah, now it is taken or not. Let's verify. Yeah, it is taken. Okay, and now what we have to do is we will try to remove an application which is already installed. uh, List installed grep docker I have installed recently, so I will try to remove it. Remove docker. Yes. After removing this, we will check the application is it is there or not in the server. If it is removed, then yeah, you can see here you can see docker, and here you can see it is removed. Okay, so we will try to restore with the snapshot which I had taken earlier. Restore. Okay, it is restoring. Once it is restored, we will check to if that application is exist or not. App list hyphen installed grep docker. See, the application is also restored. This is a very good thing where you can restore. See, if you are trying something and if you are running some script, or if you are trying to install any application, or if you are testing some application which engineering team has given or something like that, it will be very useful if you use this option snapshot. Okay, thanks guys, thanks for watching, please subscribe.